Cardano Value Expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.578. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.7334, so the cost expanded by 23% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.85 and the year-to-year change plus 209%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 152%. In 2024, we hope to see Bana 139 per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $241. In the final part, the cost would add $10 and close the year at $251, which is plus 242% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $10.74. Monday, blemish $11.75. Tuesday, blemish $12.75. Wednesday, blemish $13.76. Thursday, blemish $14.76. Friday, blemish $15.77. Saturday, blemish $16.77. Sunday, blemish $17.78. April $15.95. May $15.112. June $15.130. July $15.43. August $15.151. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $251 to $398, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $251, then take off to $262 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $246. That implies plus 235% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $398 to $632, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $398, then take off to $422 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $446. It is about plus 508% from today. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $5.769, so the cost diminished by 4% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $160 and the year-to-year change plus 168%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 177%. In 2024, we hope to see Dana 110 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $184. In the last part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $164, which is plus 184% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $164 to $281, which is up 71%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $164, then at that point, take off to $0.75 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $198. That implies plus 243% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $281 to $420, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $281, then take off to $298 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $315. It is about plus 446% from today. Z212 Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5.7978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $48.88, so the cost diminished by 18% from the very start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $135 and the year-to-year change plus 126%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 176%. In 2024, we hope to see $93 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $155. In the final part, the cost would lose $17 and close the year at $138, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $138 to $237, which is up 72%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $138, then take off to $148 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $167, That implies plus 242% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $237 to $352, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $0.37, then take off to $251 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $265. It is about plus 442% from today. 01152 Center 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.58978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.58378, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $137, and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 155%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.43. In the last part, the cost would add $0.06 and close the year at $1.49, which is plus 177% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.49 to $0.79, which is up 87%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.49, then dip to $1.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.44. That implies plus 168% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $12.79 to $5.41, which is plus 94%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $0.79, then take off to $3.04 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.12. It is about plus 499% from today. 01012 Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.57978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.58957, so the cost diminished by 0% from the start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.71, and the year-to-year change plus 186%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 187%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.16 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.78. In the last part, the cost would add $0.08 and close the year at $1.86, which is plus 212% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $0.1